Good morning, students. Today we will study few more questions related to HCF and LCM. So here you can see the question written on the screen. Find the largest number that divides 280 and 490 without leaving a remainder. Now this is something very important, without leaving a remainder. So now first we are going to find out the prime factorization method for 280. So the first prime number will be 2 and we will write the answer of division as 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8 and then 0 as it is. And then the next step, again even number, it is divisible by 2. So 2 sevens are 14 and 0 as it is. Next step, again divisible by 2 because of the even number. It will be 3 and 5, 35. Now 35 is an odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2. If I have to check for 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, which will not come in 3's table. So we are going directly to the prime number 5. 5 sevens are 35 and the last one is 7 itself is a prime number. So we get the prime factors for the number 280. The way we will do for 490 also. So let's write down 490 divisible by 2 because of the 0. It's an even number. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 carried. It will be 245. Now to check whether it is divisible by 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So it will not be divisible by 2 as well as 3. So we will move to number 5. 5 4s are 20 and 5 9s are 45. So next is it will be divisible by 7. 7 here and the last step is 7 into 7 is 7. So this is the first thing that we are going to find out the factors of both the numbers. So now I have written the factors like this, like 280 is equal to 3 times 2 and 5 and 7, and for 490 it is 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Now let's find out which all are common. So first number is common here, 5 is also common, 7 is here 2 times, 1 time, so we will take only 1 time. So let's find out the HCF. HCF will be 2 into 5 into 7. Now 2 5s are 10 and 10 7s are it's 70. So the answer for the question was find the largest number that divides 280 and 490 without leaving a remainder, and the answer is it is the number 70. When we divide 280 by 70 and 490 by 70, you will completely divide it and we will not get any remainder. So now students, there is another question. Find the largest number that divides 232 and 157, leaving a remainder of 7. Now this is something important, leaving the remainder of 7. Let's see how to do that. So over here, this is the first step, that before finding the HCF, we are going to subtract 7 from both the given numbers, because 7 we will get it as remainder. So less than 7 will be divisible by the number which we are going to find. And now to find out the factors for 225, the first thing is it's an odd number which is not divisible by 2. Let's check its divisibility by 3. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So 3 7s are 21. When 1 is left, 3 5s are 50. So the next thing is 7 plus 5 is 12. Again it is divisible by 3. So I'll write 3 here. I'll just mark a line so that you cannot mix two digits together. So the first factor was 3 itself, Another one is again 3. When I divided 75 by 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now 25, it will be divisible by 5 only, and I'll get answer 5. And the last step is 5 into 5. 5 ones are 5. Another number which we are having is 150. So let's find out the factors for 150 also. It's a even number, so it's divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. Now I get 75. So I think we will copy the same thing. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Next is 5 1s are 5, and over here the last factor. So now we have written all the factors together. In front of 225, factors are 3, 3, 5 and 5. In front of 150, the factors are 2, 3, 5 and 5. So just to find out what is the HCF, we'll find out HCF by 3 is common, 5 is common, 5 is again common. So I'll write 3 into 5 into 5. And the answer will be 3 5s are 15 and 15 5s is 75. So this is the answer. 75 is the largest number that divides 232 and 157, leaving a remainder of 7. I hope it's clear that you people know how this 232 has converted back into 225, because we have subtracted 7 from it. And the same way 157 is converted into 150 by subtracting 7, because it will be the remainder after we are dividing it by the answer 75.